issued.
Showers and thunderstorms this
Flash flood
afternoon.
warrant's about to be issued,
Some
so I got
thunderstorms may be severe. Not as warm with highs in the mid-80s.
for
Heat
Ellis,
winds
Hurd,
15 to 20
Johnson, and
miles an
Sullivan.
hour, diminishing to 10 to 15 miles an
Oh
hour this
shit!
afternoon. Chance of rain near 100%.
The jet received a 5-star overall safety rating, so a few stars in it, we can also say it has a 5-star interior. I don't think so. Okay. I thought it was authenticated. Visit your Volkswagen dealer today. 2.9%
Ellis County in north central Texas, Hood County in north central Texas, Johnson County in north central Texas, Somerville County in north central Texas, until noon Central Daylight Time. At 8:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Worth, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Cedar Hill, Burleson, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Cleburne, Ennis, Midlothian, Crowley, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Granbury, Keene, Joshua, Alvarado, Rendon, Pecan Plantation, and Ovilla. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Now let's check on your local forecast.